Welcome to the CAES Advisory Zone Paragraph Improvement Mini Workshop. In this video, we will be looking at the introduction paragraph of an academic essay written by one of our business students. This video is made for teaching and learning purposes only, and we have gained the permission from the student. Here's the essay question. To what extent is corporate social responsibility beneficial to a company's performance? Please take some time to look at the text by yourself. Do you think this is an effective introduction? Maybe not. You may have noticed that half of the paragraph is taken up with the overview of what is going to happen. The vocabulary is also a bit simple. For example, instead of using big, we can say the companies are dominant, important, large, or influential. More sophisticated vocabulary should be used to give more variety and add interest for the reader. Now let's look at the paragraph in more detail. The second sentence doesn't seem to follow on very well from the opening sentence. So there are some problems with cohesion, which means there is a gap between reader expectation and the flow of ideas. How can we improve that? We can use the key vocabulary and content threading through from one sentence to the next. We can also reduce dependence on too much focus on who wrote the report, because this isn't always important information for the reader. They can find out from the reference list if they are interested in the information about who did the research and where it came from. Another problem is with the stance. In order to make it more explicit to the reader, we may consider editing this part like this. In the outline section, we want to create a smooth transition to lead the reader into the points in the main body that we're going to discuss. Now, what have you noticed about the sentence structure of the example here? Do you feel the sentence pattern a bit formulaic? Let's see how to make it more concise, which means expressing much in few words but in a very clear way. One way of improvement is changing the subject from the essay to implementations of CSR. Using nominalization is not only more straightforward, but it also starts to change the tone of the essay to a more academic one from the outset. Here is a sample improved version of the introduction. There are other possible ways to improve it. These are just a few tips which every student can follow when they are self-evaluating or peer-evaluating a text. We hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.